Hi guys, welcome to another KamicarzCreations video. Just wanted to show you another product that I bought recently. The fuel tank in the Torana is showing its age. Got a fair bit of crud in there. If you fill it up all the way to the top, it tends to leak. It could be just the breather lines in the top of the tank, but anyway, because I'm going to a supercharger and fuel injection, I want good, clean, quality fuel running through to the system. So in discussion with Shane Barnett Performance Engineering, talking about this, he mentioned that a couple of the first things he does in any car build, brakes, suspension and fuel system. So I've done the brakes and suspension on the car, and I thought I'd have a look at the fuel system. So this is a 57 litre fuel cell, anodized black, should bolt into the boot reasonably well, and I'll show it to you in the boot just so you got an idea of the space it takes up. So guys, this is the fuel cell sitting in the boot. It takes up a fair bit of space, so if you're planning on doing a bit of travelling and taking a bit of luggage, maybe not the best idea. But I think it should work for the application that I'm using it for at the moment. If I find it's a bit frustrating and I want to use the boot space, I might go for a drop tank instead. But she looks pretty good sitting in there. There's plenty of room around it. I've still got the spare tyre over there, but I'll probably do a little bit of detailing in here as well as I fit the tank up. So I'm still running the original mechanical fuel pump. And with the new fuel cell and the electronic fuel pump I've bought, I'll isolate this off and just run the fuel straight up into the fuel line, over through that filter there and into the carby. So I've also bought an 8 psi electric fuel pump from ProFlow. To go with the tank. The tank has a fuel level gauge in it that'll hook up and hopefully works with the current fuel gauge in the dash. But I bought the electronic fuel pump as well, so I can get rid of my mechanical fuel pump on the side of the engine. I'll talk to you as I go through it. I'm going to do a bit of detailing on the boot, do a bit of lining, tidy it up, make it look a bit more professional and get everything mounted well. So as I progress through it, I'll show you a bit of that detailing. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, hit subscribe and keep up to date with the videos.